When you press the brake pedal, your car does not stop by magic. Stopping a moving car is a serious task. The car has weight, it has speed, it wants to keep moving forward. So when you press the brake, the car must fight that movement in a safe and controlled way. Stopping too slowly is dangerous. Stopping too suddenly is also dangerous. The brake system is designed to slow the car down smoothly, without losing control. Every safe stop you make depends on this system working exactly as it should. When you press the brake pedal, your foot is not stopping the car by itself. Your foot is only sending a message. The message says, "I want to slow down now." The car listens to how hard you press. It also notices how fast you press. A light press means slow down gently. A hard press means slow down quickly. Your foot does not touch the wheels. It does not grab the brakes. Instead, the pedal starts a chain reaction. This chain reaction moves through the car and wakes up the braking system. The car then takes your small movement and turns it into something much stronger. That is how a light press of your foot can slow down a heavy, fast-moving car in a safe and controlled way. Inside the braking system is a special liquid. This liquid plays a very important role. When you press the brake pedal, the liquid is squeezed. Unlike air, this liquid does not compress. That means when it is pushed, the pressure moves instantly. The pressure does not slow down. It does not weaken. It travels through the system and reaches all four wheels almost at the same time. This is important. If one wheel slowed before the others, the car could pull to one side. Even pressure helps the car slow down in a straight line, keeping it stable and predictable. Once pressure reaches the wheels, the real slowing begins. At each wheel, the braking system creates friction. Friction is resistance. It is what happens when two surfaces press together and movement is reduced. As the wheel spins, the brake presses against it. This contact creates heat. The heat is not wasted. It is a sign that motion is being reduced. The faster the wheel spins, the more heat is created. The braking system carefully controls how much friction is applied. Too little friction does not slow the car enough. Too much friction can cause loss of control. Balance is the key. If a wheel stops spinning completely while the car is still moving, the car can lose control. A locked wheel cannot steer. Instead of rolling, it slides across the road. Sliding is dangerous. That is why modern cars do not allow wheels to lock easily. The car constantly watches how fast each wheel is turning. If a wheel slows too much, the car reduces braking pressure slightly. Then it adds pressure again. This happens again and again, many times every second. You may feel this as a small vibration in the brake pedal. That vibration is not a problem. It is the system working to keep the wheels turning just enough so you can still steer safely. Good braking does not feel sudden. It feels smooth and controlled. This is because braking is always being adjusted. The car increases pressure slowly, then reduces it slightly, then increases it again. This happens very fast. You do not notice each small adjustment. You only feel steady slowing. Even during emergency braking, the car is trying to help you stay in control. Smooth braking is not an accident. It is the result of careful design and constant adjustment. The braking system is made of many small parts. Each part has a simple job. Some parts create pressure. Some parts create friction. Some parts watch what is happening. None of them work alone. Together, they carry a huge responsibility. They protect passengers. They protect pedestrians. They protect other drivers. Most of the time, you do not think about brakes. That is a good sign. The best safety systems are the ones that work quietly without demanding attention. Before a car can move, or even stop, it must first know who is allowed to use it. Modern cars no longer rely only on metal keys. They check identity. They check permission. This happens before the engine starts. In the next episode, we will explain how your car recognizes your key, how it knows the difference between the correct key and a fake one, and how this system helps protect cars from theft every single day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on the platforms on screen for more simple, easy to understand videos about the technology behind everyday products and systems.